Yeah, I'm sorry, but this idea right here is quite possibly the dumbest thing I've ever heard from a presidential administration. If you were unaware, the Trump administration, in an effort to make homes more affordable, is pushing the idea of a 50-year mortgage. Do you understand how fucking stupid that is? Like, not even talking about the fact that you never have equity in the home. You fucking pay so much in just interest, and that the only people that would make money from this, the only people that get any value to this, are the people who originate the loans. Like they would make
The banks.
mountains of money. But also, like, this is the ultimate just fucking kicking the can down the road. Like, this is, like, I'm so.
It's only kicking a can down the road if you the individual that wants to finance your lifestyle, because that's what Democrats sell to you, and actually instead of give you money to lead to financial freedom with you being financially disciplined to make the right decisions wisely, but also instead of financing your lifestyle, because a lot of people show for things. You can be a millionaire and still be broke financing your whole life. Or you could be a millionaire and be wise and actually build assets that actually fund your lifestyle and not cost you to be a slave to debt your whole life.
Mad at the Trump administration for this because this is showing me that they're not paying attention to what the actual problems are. You know, like maybe, I don't know, maybe cap interest rates. I don't know, maybe get corporate spending out of fucking home buying. I don't know, maybe address zoning restrictions that don't allow you to build homes. Maybe open up more land for development. I mean, fucking anything but 50-year mortgages. Because that is the dumbest fucking idea I've ever heard from a president ever. God, I support Trump. But on this, he can go fuck himself.
Well, that's the way to put it. But at the end of the day, it's an option. So you're getting mad at Trump. That's what I mean. What's up with this blame Trump card? Anything not to take responsibility to help people be responsible for their actions. You should be just saying, look, this is an option. Do I suggest to take it? Would I suggest anybody to take it? Average working American Joe? No. 50-year mortgage, you'll be paying you'll be right. You'll be paying the banks for the rest of your life. The banks are having a ball with this, but you don't have to go down this route and actually give people solutions instead of complaining and blaming Trump for giving you an option. You say you want a home, you say things are unaffordable, but he's trying to put more money in your pocket, and he's trying to reset the economy to make sure more money go in your pocket. You get bigger refunds. Because like I said, all a refund check is, or a tax return or a tax refund is basically the government saving your money for at the end of the year, and you file your taxes to report the monies that you have made income wise throughout the year, and whatever monies you get back, that's basically your money that's being saved at the end of the year to give it back to you. And Trump is trying to actually empower the people with the freedom of making health savings account, where health insurance companies don't determine what covers your you medically, but give you the money, and you have the option to pick an insurance that um fits your lifestyle, but also humbles the insurance companies and I think they can run your life because you need us more than we need you. When insurance companies really need the people to pay the premiums. So they'll be more respectful and actually be humbled and more humane about the price when it comes to, in this case, a service when it comes to healthcare coverage and health insurance wise. And they'll actually see that the hands is back in the power of the people, and you have to listen to the people. And if things is too high, even though individuals are getting money in a health savings account, because Trump is trying to give money to individuals to pick their own health insurance premiums, then the health insurance companies will go, we need to make adjustments because people ain't rocking with our health care coverage. People are not rocking with our health care. Let's say people are picking Aetna over United Health Group. United Health Group is going to go, we're having a drop in consumer or customers taking our insurance company and rocking with us. We need to make sure that we're making adjustments to make it affordable and actually get our consumers back, our customers back who want to rock with us to get healthcare coverage. It's the same thing with the banks. I mean, with housing, right? If Trump, if you wait and be patient, and Trump is basically trying to make sure money goes back in your pocket, you get a big refund and put more money back in your pockets to give you choice, and you pave your own way and take the control from the government and taking less government what the thing is, condoning and promoting less government in your life instead of government controlling your lives, then you're able to make the option for yourself, because Democrats in the government, when it comes to Democrats in the government, they believe that Americans are too dumb and ignorant enough to make choices for themselves. That's why they make it for you. And it's not even your best interest, because the cost of living is high, health insurance premiums are high. And now, if you want to be technical, instead of blaming Trump, that's why Trump got to give you this 50-year mortgage option in the first place, based on the Biden administration from the previous 4 years, because they made the cost of living so high. But you want to get in a home so bad, but you don't have to take this route. You can wait and let the economy benefit off the big beautiful bill within 2.5 years. Trump only been in office for a year, just about. You just hit a year. It's not gonna happen overnight. Rome wasn't built overnight, right? So come on, man. Get out your feelings, bro. My man got too much estrogen going on, not enough testosterone and masculinity. But now I want to go to 15-year car loans, right? And then we're gonna end the video here. So she's like, hold up, let me show you, family. 15-year car loans. 15-year car loans. No, it's effing 15-year car loans. I can't take it. And it says from the White House website, White House posted this by President Donald J. Trump, as he continues to work hard to make the American dream accessible to everyone. President Trump today has asked the Departments of Transportation and Commerce to make vehicle ownership for all a reality by introducing 15-year car loans. Secretaries Duffy and Lutnick are already working on it, delivering for America. Now, look, all it means in translation is 15 years. The longer that the bank give you from expand, the longer that the more the bank stretches out your car payments, the smaller the payment you have. But you pay 10 times more if you just say, okay, you know what? If you say, you know what, I am just going to pay. I'm going to go with the 15-year mortgage, because a lot of people focus on the payment, but not actually focus on paying the car off. Now, you may need a car desperately at that time. You say, I'm going to go with the 15-year car loan, but any extra monies, I'm going to actually put to the amount of what the car cost. So now you're not playing around. You just took the 15-year car option because that was the affordable right to get you in a car, because it was the lowest car payment, and you still have some money to survive and pay groceries and stuff. But you don't have to succumb or actually just feel like, oh, I got to pay this car off for 15 years. You could put down extra money to hurry up and pay it off. Now, would I advise anyone to take a 15-year car loan? No. If anything, do the normal typical car loan, which is 60 to 72 months, which is 5, 6 years car loan. The payment would be higher, but that's why a lot of people are complaining, and Trump is giving you an option. You want affordable right now, he give you a car option now. But you can pay the car off faster. You don't have to just say, oh, I gotta wait for 15 years to pay the car off. But again, it's an option. Do I condone anybody doing it? No. Get a car that you can pay off, that fits your lifestyle, fits your needs financially. Stop trying to show off to people that don't care about you. Get in cars that don't nobody care because you want to ride around in a Mercedes Benz. That's people problems. They want to finance their lifestyle to show off to people, but at the end of the day, you the one have to pay and take care of the responsibility when it comes to car insurance and a car payment. But let me know what you guys think. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you got some vibe from this video. Peace.